Hi, I'm Dr. Greg McDonald. I own McDonald Animal Hospital. I'm a veterinarian in Southern California in Santa Barbara. I just want to talk a little bit about nutrition in your puppy. I think it's one of the most important things that we can do is to actually feed your puppy right. And it's so important, and it's so difficult for owners to try and figure out how to feed their puppy. So a lot of misinformation on the internet as well as in pet food stores and certainly the grocery stores. My feeling is that you should be feeding a premium brand of food, and I like the Science Diet, Eukanuba, Iams, and Royal Canin is also an excellent diet. Some of these diets have like 10 years of research involved in them, and if you think about it, they're not going to change the ingredients when there's been 10 years of research if one of the ingredients gets to be more expensive. The other thing about puppies, it's very important to pick a dog food that matches your puppy's size. Puppies that grow very quickly become problematical, and if they're fed too rich a diet, they can actually wind up with joint disease. So they have a product called large breed puppy, and large breed puppy is really, really good for dogs that are big dogs because it prevents them from growing too fast and having joint disease. There's still a raging controversy over whether wet or dry is good for your dog. I think a lot of veterinarians think that wet should be the only kind. I think also that there are veterinarians that think dry is certainly fine. I think with the new premium brands, I'm a little bit more worried about whether you're feeding a premium brand of food. Again, once again, people just think that they're going to save a little bit of money and get a cheaper dog food, and they wind up causing some problems with their dog, and then they spend all their money with their veterinarian instead of on a good plane of nutrition. So I think that when your dog gets to be a little older, it's pretty important. People are always wanting to know how much to feed the dog. I think it's really important to take something like this cup and measure the amount that your dog's getting, and then you can watch and see if you're feeding the dog twice a day and a certain amount in the feeding each time, and your dog's gaining weight, then you need to either increase the exercise or cut back in the amount of food.